I'm going to teach you how to send an automatic email using a webhook and Gmail. We're going to build a simple automation that listens for incoming data and instantly sends an email using Gmail. By the end, you'll have a quick, reliable way to email someone the moment a webhook receives information. Start by clicking Create Scenario. This opens a blank workspace where you can design your workflow. Think of the scenario as your automation canvas. You add a trigger to start things off, and then add actions that happen in response. Keeping your scenario clearly named will make it easier to find and update later. Next, add a webhook trigger. The webhook is what waits for incoming data from another app or service. When you add it, you'll see a unique URL generated for your scenario. That URL is where data will be sent. The trigger will capture whatever fields arrive, like an email address, a subject, or a message body. Make sure you know what fields your source will provide so you can use them effectively in the next step. Now add Gmail and choose Send Email. Connect your Gmail account if you haven't already. You may be asked to grant permission so the platform can send messages on your behalf. Choose the Send Email action so it can deliver a message the moment the webhook fires. If you use labels or want to set a specific sender name, keep those preferences in mind as you configure. Map the email and message. In the To field, insert the recipient address. You can hardcode a single address or, better yet, map it from the webhook data so it's dynamic. Add a clear subject and then write your body. If you prefer, switch to HTML mode for richer formatting. Otherwise, plain text is fine and often more reliable. Where possible, map values from the webhook into your message, so the email reflects the exact data received, such as a name, an order number, or a short note. When everything looks correct, click Run Once. This puts your scenario into a listening mode and runs a single test. As soon as the webhook receives data, the Gmail step will use the mapped fields and send the email. Watch the run log to confirm each module completes successfully, and check your inbox or sent folder to verify delivery. That's it. Result: auto email sent. With this setup, your webhook becomes a dependable trigger, and Gmail handles the rest, giving you a fast, hands-off way to communicate the instant new data arrives.